Hello students, welcome to the Political Science tutorial. In this lecture, I am going to discuss the topic justice. Under justice, I will discuss meaning of justice, nature of justice, characteristics of justice, dimensions or types of justice, importance of justice, and at the end, I will give you some questions on justice. First, meaning of justice. The word justice, it has been derived from the Latin word justitia. Justitia, it means the idea of joining or fitting, or the idea of bond or tie. The idea of joining or fitting implies the tie between man and man in an unorganized system of human relations. Meaning of justice could be understood in two senses. One is ordinary sense and narrow sense. In an ordinary sense, justice means giving due to aggrieved party and punishment to offender. So the party which is a sufferer is getting the justice, and the person who has done the crime, committed the crime, he is punished. In the narrow sense, justice means it is associated to legal system of the country to solve dispute. So every country is having its own law and the disputes are settled according to the legal system of that country. As far as definitions of justice is concerned, justice has been defined in different ways by different thinkers. I have taken the definition given by Barker and Rawls. According to Barker, justice is the reconciler and the synthesis of political values. It is their union in an adjusted and integrated whole. According to Rawls, justice is a set of principles for defining the appropriate distribution of benefits and burdens of social cooperation after identifying the relevant considerations which determine this balance. Nature of justice. Justice is correlated to the concepts like liberty, equality, rights, fraternity, and dignity. So one cannot isolate justice from the concepts like liberty, equality, rights, fraternity, and dignity. It is very much present. In common sense, justice implies just behavior or treatment in fair manner. Legally, justice could be understood as fair trial in just manner. And in liberal sense, justice emphasized on legal and political dimensions. Next is characteristics or features of justice. Justice, it is based upon truth. So while giving justice, it is basically seen what is the truth, and then only the judgment is given to punish the culprit. Justice believes in equality before law. So law treat everybody equal. No discrimination is made. So those who wants to seek the justice have an access to the law on equal basis. Justice, it is based on impartiality. So no partial treatment is given to anybody. So it is totally impartial. Equal treatment is given to all. Respect individual ability and capability. Justice, it protect discrimination of justice and fulfillment of basic needs. Next is dimensions or kinds or types of justice. So the first dimension is legal dimension of justice. So here laws are enacted and enforced by the state. So law defines rights and duties of individual and association in community. Law treats all equal in the eyes of law. Law gives justice to sufferer and punish the offender. So overall here it means that legal system of justice or legal dimension of justice, it is basically try to give justice to the people based upon the truth without making any discrimination and treating all equal in the eyes of law. Second dimension is the political dimension of justice, and it implies establishment of democratic institutions in the interest of the people. It also implies full guarantee of the liberty of thought and expression, right to form associations and interest groups. Political justice includes right to vote, right to contest election, right to form political parties, and right to protest. So, politically, all these rights are given to the people on in just manner. Third is social dimension of justice. Social dimension of justice, it implies elimination of all kinds of discrimination and privileges on the grounds of birth, race, caste, creed or sex. So in a society, no discrimination is made and it is tried to maintain the social justice. Social justice means to give proper opportunities to every citizens in the society in every sphere of life to develop his personality and to end all types of social inequalities. It includes equalities like equality before law, absence of special rights, prohibition of discrimination, social security, and end of caste system. So mainly it means that social dimension of justice, it mainly tries to implement justice in the society. Fourth is a economic dimension of justice. Economic dimension of justice means to provide equal opportunities to everybody to earn their livelihood. So here no discrimination is made between man and man, man and woman on the basis of economic equality. So all gets equal opportunities to earn their livelihood. Economic equality includes right to work for everybody, fulfillment of basic needs to reduce wide economic disparities, protection of the interest of workers, just distribution of wealth. So economic dimension of justice, it basically means providing equal opportunities to all in the society to earn their livelihood. Next is importance of justice. Why justice is important? It is important in the society and state. Justice is important for the well-being of the society. So without justice, society cannot develop. Justice is important and the state is one of the most important end of the state. So it is very important, necessary thing for the state. Important questions on justice. What is the meaning of justice? Explain the dimension of justice and discuss the importance of justice. Thank you very much. Keep watching for the next videos. Thank you.